Lots of people are making money on Facebook, and we are here to give you some secrets to help you unlock the Facebook money-making algorithm. This is easy and you can make it too. Let's go! Are you looking to make money on Facebook in 2023? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you the latest tips and tricks to monetize your Facebook account and start earning cash. From creating a professional Facebook page to going viral on Facebook Reels, we've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced social media user, you'll learn something new in this video. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to make some money on Facebook in 2023. The first thing to consider is to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is one of the largest on the internet. You will find a huge number of potential customers for any product or services on Facebook. Interestingly, the marketplace is a free-for-all feature where you can buy, sell, or trade almost anything in your locality. Although the marketplace is not as specialized as local buy and sell groups, everybody has access to the Facebook Marketplace, so they can easily share your post with their friends and maybe even find that special something they've been looking for. Go viral on Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels is a new feature that allows you to create short videos that can go viral. You can use Facebook Reels to promote your products, services, or brand. If your video goes viral, you can earn money from Facebook. Here are some tips to help you go viral on Facebook Reels in 2023. Facebook Reels are short videos, so keep your content short and sweet. Your video should not be longer than 30 seconds. Make sure your video is engaging and informative. Using trending hashtags can help your video get discovered by a wider audience. Make sure your hashtags are relevant to your video content. Your video thumbnail is the first thing people will see, so make sure it's eye-catching. Use a thumbnail that accurately represents your video content. Collaborating with other creators can help your video reach a wider audience. Find other creators in your niche and collaborate with them on a Facebook Reel. Promoting your video on other platforms can help it go viral. Share your Facebook Reel on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Engaging with your audience can help your video go viral. Respond to comments and messages, and ask your audience to share your video. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of going viral on Facebook Reels in 2023. If your video goes viral, you can earn money from Facebook. So, start creating engaging and informative Facebook Reels today. Affiliate marketing. Although being an affiliate is similar to being a Facebook influencer. However, in this case, you have a choice to select a product or service from an affiliate networking website which is likely to interest your friends. Once you become an affiliate, you'll get a code containing your unique affiliate link. The company pays you a commission every time someone clicks on the link and purchases the product. Sell likes and shares. Another way to make money on Facebook is by selling likes and shares. These post engagements are used for marketing purpose to increase a product's credibility. Facebook likes and shares have a psychological effect on prospective customers. Social Media Manager. Another effective way of making money on Facebook is by becoming a social media manager. To become a social media manager, you need to have basic social media management skills. As a social media manager, your responsibilities are posting content on the Facebook page, scheduling posts, designing graphics for content, responding to comments of the followers and keeping them engaged, and building the size audience amongst others. Become Facebook Influencer. Becoming a Facebook influencer is another good way to make money on Facebook. All you need to get started is to open a Facebook account, have a good deal of post engagements. Bear in mind that it will take time to attain that status as a Facebook influencer. As a Facebook influencer with a good fan base, individuals and companies will reach out to you for business promotions. Then you can charge them as you want depending on your size and traffic and make good money for yourself. Create a Facebook group in your niche. You can make money also by creating a Facebook group in your niche. Once you're done with that, you start sharing content. This method is very effective if you intend to sell information products. You can set up a group, encouraging members to help each other and share ideas. Once again, you need to ensure that you offer group members useful content, and every so often you can suggest your product as a solution to their problems. Selling of account. You can also make money online by selling Facebook account. To get started, create a Facebook account and build followers for that account, and when it's huge enough, you sell it off. These days, marketers and brands buy Facebook accounts for their promotional purpose as Facebook gives more weightage to an old account. In the same vein, you too can sell your old Facebook group or page if you have a great number of a relevant fan base. These days, there are lots of online businesses that basically need an account with a good number of relevant followings to buy in order to kickstart their business. You can sell them to them too. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads is a powerful tool that allows you to target your audience based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. You can use Facebook ads to promote your products, services, or brand. If your ad is successful, you can earn money from Facebook. Here are some tips to help you use Facebook ads effectively in 2023. Setting up your Meta Business Suite, formerly Facebook Business Manager, is the first step to using Facebook ads. Make sure you set up your account correctly and become familiar with Facebook's ad options. Creating custom audiences can help you target your ads to the right people. You can create custom audiences based on your customers' unique behaviors, preferences, and demographics. Interest targeting is a great way to reach the right audience with your ads. You can use different but related keywords to target audience segments, and you can leverage combining keywords to reach the right audience for your ads. Core audiences allow you to target based on demographics, behaviors, and location. You can use core audiences to target people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Custom audiences allow you to reconnect with people who have already interacted with your business. You can use custom audiences to target people who have visited your website, engaged with your Facebook page, or interacted with your ads. Lookalike audiences allow you to target people who are similar to your existing customers. You can use lookalike audiences to expand your reach and find new customers. By using these tips, you can create effective Facebook ads campaigns that target the right audience and drive sales for your business. If your ad is successful, you can earn money from Facebook. So, start using Facebook ads to promote your products, services, or brand in 2023. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell for more. Thank you. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching.